As a teacher, I often feel completely bombarded with information and important messages I mustn't forget. But it normally happens when I'm miles away from the nearest piece of scrap paper or a post-it note, so I can't jot that important information down. Well, that's all changed since I discovered the Quick Notes feature built into iPad, which means a place to record a note is only ever a swipe away. To create a new note, all I'm going to do is swipe from the bottom right-hand corner of my iPad into the middle, and immediately you'll see this little floating note screen appear. From here, I can use my Scriber stylus and jot down whatever I need to, as quickly as I would do using a pen and paper. Tapping done will of course save this quick note, and you'll even see it's appeared in my Notes widget on my home screen as well. Of course, I can make more notes in exactly the same way, and I can even move the quick note window around the screen or pinch to resize it to make writing easier. But this feature is great for other types of notes too. For instance, if I open up Safari and take a quick note by swiping up from that bottom right-hand corner again, I'll have the option to add a link to the website I'm currently browsing straight into that note, as well as being able to use my Scriber stylus to handwrite any notes about that particular website or article. And when I navigate back to this same web page in the future, I'll see that related quick note appear in the bottom corner of my screen, so it's always just a tap away. And finally, if you want to see all of your quick notes and organize them a bit more, you can simply open up the Notes app and navigate to the quick note section just like this. Here you'll see all of your thoughts, messages and ideas stored safely for you when you need them.